I'm going to stand out here if none of you gentlemen have an objection.
Oh yeah, but had the wood spoke wheels, they're all loose.
So I went to brake, and then there's nothing hardly happening.
Yeah.
There's no friction moving, so it's splash.
I like the Model A. That's a little more conventional. They had an actual clutch, gear shift. Right. Model T. Cable brake, cable and rod, operating brake. If you didn't get those right, it was full. This the same shop, I used to have to reline my own brakes, rivet them on, rivet the lining on, and arc them. Had a cancer.
I think the worst cancer patients, they said.
Gary.
And then we also had a roll-around cart that would, with the water, soapy water, and that would we could put underneath the axle and swap it.
Ooh. Damn it. Yeah.
Hey Robert, that was a good landing. There's something big jam.
The wheel came off.
When it bounced, didn't it?
Well, I mean, that's what it dug in obviously here. And busted the wing up.
But it seemed like it was a great
And the
landing.
tail. Fuck. Yeah, no, the landing was going perfect until the wheel came off. Fix the tail. The center section of the wings all
That landing didn't look
fucked
that
up.
bad to you, did it?
Wham.
There's something. So you think it's just the wheel came off?
Yeah, I mean, you could see where